At the Caribbean Development Bank, we know that lasting change begins with understanding. Understanding the needs of underserved groups, the opportunities available to them, and the barriers preventing their disaster preparedness and climate adaptation. In Jamaica and Belize, community projects aimed at risk reduction were struggling due to low participation, especially from women and youth. In response, the CDB's Community Disaster Risk Reduction Fund introduced effective community engagement in 2018. We were able to boost involvement by identifying key needs and preferences, thus informing new strategies that secured the engagement of a diverse community throughout the project lifecycle. From this, powerful success stories have emerged where communities have been mobilized to take control of their own safety and resilience. In Belize, a survey of 550 residents in 11 Mayan villages revealed that many women and young adults were busy juggling caregiving duties and felt uncomfortable speaking up in community meetings. Taking this into account, home visits became the primary engagement method. The result was remarkable. Participation among women and youth increased by 70%. Transforming these projects into truly community-driven efforts that resonated with locals and created lasting impact. In Jamaica, over 1,000 members of communities were concerned with poverty, unemployment, and the frequent threat of flooding. Yet 86% of respondents expressed a desire to be involved in community activities, especially disaster preparedness. With the right communication strategies and targeted empowerment resources, they are connected more securely with the tools for success. In Westmoreland, over 50% of residents have now participated in disaster preparedness activities, while in St. Thomas, nearly 95% of respondents expressed a desire to contribute to development initiatives, showing a significant commitment to long-term improvements. Across the waters, in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, threats caused by volcanic eruptions, hurricanes, landslides, and floods have made communities like Sandy Bay, Fancy, and Georgetown vulnerable. Of the 499 community members surveyed, nearly 80% indicated they wanted to contribute to community safety initiatives, but only 56% were aware of disaster preparedness programs. This presents an opportunity for the implementation of empowerment strategies that capitalize on their desire to face disasters head-on. In the British Virgin Islands, a clear need to increase disaster preparedness presents itself in over 80 million US in flood damage across the islands. This, along with the threat of crime, language barriers, and improper waste management, creates a situation of the utmost urgency. And these communities are willing to answer the call. Of the 225 survey participants, over 70% indicated a desire to participate in resilience building activities and disaster preparedness. Through the Caribbean Development Bank's Community Engagement Survey, we've uncovered a pathway to lasting change. More than 2,000 residents participated in planning sessions, with up to a 95% commitment to ongoing community development. This tool is now included in project management approaches in Belize, the British Virgin Islands, Jamaica, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines. By strengthening communication, fostering collaboration, promoting inclusive development, and providing the tools they need, we can unlock these communities' potential, building resilience, reducing poverty, and transforming lives.